Hello everyone, welcome back to Stoic Wisdom today. Today we're clearing up a major misconception, one that quietly ruins relationships, reputations, and even your self-respect. The difference between real Stoicism and passive aggression. A lot of people think they're being stoic, but really they're just avoiding, repressing, or subtly punishing others through silence. Let's be clear, stillness is not suppression. Calm is not coldness. Composure is not quiet cruelty. Real stoicism is rooted in self-command, not in emotional warfare. Let's break it down. Part 1. What passive aggression looks like and why it's not stoic. Passive-aggressive behavior includes saying "I'm fine" when you're not, giving the silent treatment, withholding effort, affection, or energy, subtle digs or sarcasm, doing what you're asked but in a way that sabotages it. Why do people do it? To avoid conflict, to control without confrontation, to punish while staying polite. But here's the Stoic truth. Emotional avoidance is not mastery, it's delay. Seneca wrote, "Anger, if not controlled, is frequently more hurtful to us than the injury that provokes it." Passive aggression is anger in disguise, and Stoics don't disguise. They transform. Part 2. What real Stoicism looks like. A modern Stoic acknowledges emotion, masters their response, communicates clearly, not cruelly, chooses action aligned with virtue. Marcus Aurelius never said "shut down." He said, "Be tolerant with others and strict with yourself." So when something upsets you, you don't explode, ghost, withhold. You pause, you reflect, you respond with intention. Part 3. How to tell the difference. Are you stoic or passive? Ask yourself, 1. Am I calm or just avoiding? If you're suppressing to escape conflict, that's not stoic. That's self-protection disguised as strength. 2. Am I clear or just cold? If you're being distant instead of honest, that's not detachment, that's disconnection. 3. Am I at peace or secretly punishing? If you're withdrawing to show them instead of grow yourself, you're manipulating, not mastering. The Stoic doesn't play games. They live in truth, even when it's hard. Part 4. Stoic alternatives to passive behavior. If you feel upset, try. I'm processing some emotions. I'll talk about it soon. I need a bit of space, but not because I'm angry, I just want to respond well. That comment caught me off guard. Can we revisit it? These are not weak. They are signs of self-respect and emotional maturity. Part 5. The energy of a true Stoic. Calm, not cold. Direct, not defensive. Compassionate, not controlling. Accountable, not accusing. Epictetus said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak." The Stoic uses silence to listen, not to punish. They use stillness to center, not to suppress. Conclusion. Be real. Be clear. Be Stoic. Passive aggression pretends to be calm, but real Stoicism doesn't pretend, it reveals. It clarifies. It frees. So next time you're tempted to go quiet and call it wisdom, ask, am I being still or am I hiding? Because the world doesn't need more clever silence. It needs more honest composure. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom today. Comment below. I choose calm, not cold. And as always, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay stoic.